Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're in the game and ready. Press ESC to open the pause menu immediately. If nothing happens, make sure no chat or text box is focused, because ESC first closes text input. Once done, check the top left shows your world name and a row of buttons. That confirms the menu opened. If you remapped keys, open Settings Controls and find the pause/inventory binding. This explains why pressing ESC might not work and where to fix it. Once the menu is open, use your mouse or the arrow keys to highlight a choice and either left-click or press Enter to confirm. Open Options to adjust controls if ESC is unresponsive, and change video settings to reduce lag that can block menu input. If you need to leave the world, choose Save and Quit to safely write your single-player data. For multiplayer, use Disconnect. Make sure to confirm saves before closing the launcher or shutting down your PC. To finish, click Resume or press ESC again to return to play. Sometimes lag delays the menu opening, so be patient for a second. If the menu still won't open, toggle full screen to windowed mode and click the game window to ensure keyboard focus. This often fixes unresponsive keys. If problems persist, restart Minecraft, check for conflicting software that captures ESC, or remap the pause/menu key in controls. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues without reinstalling anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.